everything's disconnected?
Hopefully.
You get the extra.
And then now it's almost off. This knot's off. Is that knot off?
Is this wiring on the house on the engine?
It's not coming from the ECU.
And how's this mount? Is this fully lifted off? Almost. Give it one crank, Nathan. Okay, it's off. Yeah. It's off road.
This shit's still connected.
Don't put your
This shit's still connected.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's AC.
Yeah. Maybe it's like an H8 or something. Yeah.
Yeah, they even said to undo it yesterday, I think we just forgot.
Damien is here?
No, the phone.
I think we were, we unplugged the other AC.
Yeah, we did it from the radiator. He was like, oh, also do it from the AC compressor. We just. Yeah.
This was too big. Probably an H6. The 4 inch there? Yep.
I think it was Chubby's mouse. Garbage? No, when you put the new ones up.
Oh shit, I should have got a trash can today.
There's like a hardware fridge.
There's a lumber store next door. Damn, I dropped the H6.
Yeah, it's almost.
Inside this. I would make a shorter level. You could get this shit with the impact, bro.
One more thing, because I can get great access right here. Go quarter.
Is it even an H6, bro? Yeah, I need the adapter.
Yeah.
I think I saw it attached to something else up there earlier. It might be the box. Yeah, find out if that's the right size if you can. figured something out.
They weren't putting the quick links on. Right?
Oh, okay. But next time use this for this H6. This is pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think you're not in it. So it needs to be more angular.
Oh man.
Man,
Go back.
metal scrap.
Don't spit.
It's a good W.
What's that?
Dude, I think it's a torch. I don't think it's a torch, but like this needs to be like angled more.
It's definitely an hour.
Okay, so let's try this. Here, I'll put this
So
stuff
waddle bigger.
Yeah, the little walk thing like that. Yeah, that can work.
Probably 5.5. Maybe it's a different size. Here, let me go get the American size.
What's the smaller one? No, try the smaller one again. This is the smaller one.
Yeah.
Try the smaller.
Hey, next time, go with a foot frame.
Just drop the engine down
Yeah.
It's better that way?
No.
with a lift or with,
Like that.
even like this.
With the lift, it's so easy.
No,
Just
but like
drop it
that's
on a
easy.
pallet.
For me,
Really?
yeah, for me. I'll do like that. So take out the sustain. There's only 6 more. Maybe 8.
And the suspension and shit.
That's only 1. But do you take this off to the bumper or no?
And the transmission.
Oh, so you take the bumper, the soft thing, and then drop it.
How do you get the car high enough?
Because this is off, you can drop it
Oh,
a
you
bit
can
and
just
pull
roll
it
it
up.
up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what they said to do yesterday. Either drop it and leave the bumper, or take the bumper and leave that. I guess doing both makes it easier.
If you have a lift, you can really just leave
Yeah.
that shit on and just raise the car.
Then leave the sub to the head.
Like, that's why my Alphard has engines on it. Are you gonna buy this thing? We want the motor? No.
Something's wrong.
You have the hand Oh, it's the AC?
Yeah, it's the compressor.
Yeah. Where's that?
I think that's number 5 or 6.
I'm trying a 6 and a 5. Maybe it's dirty. Maybe I need a hammer. I think it's 6, right?
Yeah,
Hold on, let me see.
The thing is, I think you have to at an angle, that's why it's not fitting.
I think it's. There we go. That's it. This is dirty.
You need like one of those ball.
Yeah. But you don't have to really drop it.
Yeah. No, fucking stripped.
No, that one, you need to this one.
Yeah.
They're putting the wrong one. Let's put the one behind this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because this is
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't matter that this one's stripped.
Or you can just take the AC compressor off. Yeah, that just makes it easier.
Here. See if you can get the shit, the extension. I can't smell it. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Or it has to be a quarter inch. Quarter inch ratchet.
Yeah, but you have more room.
No, but it's out now, it's out. There's no point in it. Oh, it's well, this thing was missing one. Oh, no. What was it missing one?
No, I think it was one. No, the one you had one.
Why is there 2 holes?
Hmm?
2 holes?
Okay, maybe it's missing one.
No, but the thing is, it doesn't fit both of them. Okay, only have one.
Alright.
Maybe
It's
it's like
like a universal. Right?
yeah.
No?
If you go a little higher, it's touching the subframe.
Oh, yeah, the oil pan is one?
Yeah, honestly, you just go like almost as high as possible.
Well, I'd like to, but then the transient. Yeah, I'm gonna go as high as.
Yeah, like as possible.
There we go.
Should we drop the transmission on the jack?
No.
Oh, you see from that. Okay, you're getting the firewall.
I am?
You hear it? I see that.
No.
Should I pull a little?
Right? See, that's why it's so special. It's getting something.
No, he's touching that. Now,
Am I hitting the firewall at top maybe? What was that?
he's touching. Yep. Okay, it's from the ball. He's touching that. Forward steer.
You also fucking this.
Oh, this is
secondary barrier. Oh, yeah.
This is still connected too.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
We're going to lose a lot of forward steer. Yeah, maybe that one now has some pressure.
Shit. We bent it.
We can bend that shit back.
Yeah.
He's a soft line.
That looks like an 18 or 16.
16 or 17.
And then what else?
On the ground.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, big ground.
Ground's like a 13. So I want to ground 16 or 17.
I'll look around.
There's definitely a couple around.
Yeah, we have
Very
to
close,
yeah.
How successful is that roll?
Very. I mean, you see an open-ended wrench or something. Adjustable would work. Yeah.
Western French.
truck.
Over here, 16 or 18. Maybe you know how to focus on the Spanish?
Spaniard?
Spanish? Spanish?
What?
Spaniard?
No?
I know. A crescent? No. How? La llave de los pendejos.
No.
Yeah, you know?
You know why?
Because it's adjustable and
Yeah. You know, oh, what guy, how big is this? No. Oh, this is weird.
Yeah, I mean like wrench for stupid people.
Oh,
Or like dumbasses.
Okay, wait, can I get the bucket? That's pretty
Right.
You want to mix it out?
no, this maybe it's mixed. It's everything.
Have to freeze everyone? Careful.
Yeah,
Let's
everything.
see that. Let's see each other. Let's see each other.
But why you keep the jack in the transmission?
Still, it lifts up a little.
No, do we put leave it more like that? Yeah.
Well, hold on, don't drop it yet. Let's try it, and then if it doesn't, if we can't get it over, then we'll start to lower it.
Because I'm sure it's heavy because make it this way.
Yeah. Okay. Should we lower it now or wait?
Yeah, lower. With the double under, it's nicer because then you can
Wait,
adjust
wait,
it.
let's hold a little first right now.
No, the Japanese don't do it. That's what they do. That's
Oh, it's not even touching. Yeah, lower it, Paul. Okay, yeah, it's enough. Go. Alright, everyone back to your position.
You want to crank this to kind of make it more level? Because then that'll bring this in.
No, I think it's touching the forward steering. You can push it down.
Yeah,
Down there.
Like this way.
Oh, I see.
ready?
Let's see if we can put it in the right.
You're just touching the far wall back.
But you see it's touching here.
Oh, look at that, bro. The headers.
Oh, get the ground too.
Or the headers. I got the ground. See the headers?
I feel like if you level it out, you'll get more height from here.
Then raise it back.
Yeah, because then you can kind of like.
Do you think?
Let me see if I will.
No,
Nice.
for me it's lower. You need to
I
take
think
it like
it's
that.
okay.
Yeah. I think you can come this like.
Wait, that, the header.
Oh, come see here how it works.
Huh.
Also,
Yeah, the secondary air.
It's touching that shit.
Can you pull it up?
bend the back.
I'm gonna.
Oh, it's like an 8 minute.
Honestly, it's probably good to get this. For your passenger this time.
Headers are always.
Dude, I know when I was putting my engine back in last time, I had to take the header off and then put it in like after.
Dude, the 128 was so fucking annoying to get the headers like past the sufferance. It was like it was so.
This is worse. Or at least last time I did this was way worse, bro.
Getting it out was
Yeah.
What?
What knife?
I think it just unplugs.
No, but it's, you have a 6 plates.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah, I have a cutter. It's in my trunk.
This is this Oh, is that a screwdriver? Some people look for it.
Amazing. You got some flathead? I'm gonna take one more thing off of here too.
Oh, this shit's still connected. Let's see if too.
Yeah, I'm taking the front part of the linkage off. Which is only accessible now that the motor, that the transit goes forward. All I do is I have to take off the exhaust.
Dang, you didn't take the exhaust off.
No, right? I'm just hoping the end is there. I gotta check how the shift linkage normally looks. We may have bent the fuck out of it. Oh yeah, this will come right out. Cool.
Doesn't it attach a truck to this thing? Just pull the fuck out of
You
it.
know, look, now if we jack the trans up, we'll be able to get it over this.
You don't need to tip it like this. That's what I'm saying. Like you tip from here.
From here, yeah. Could try that. Alright, you guys good up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Only one thing that broke, but that's okay.
Huh?
The plastic.
This harness off.
It's coming.
This one goes.
This one goes. This one.
Oh.
This one goes.
Higher or low? You think it's okay?
Huh?
Higher?
Tired?
Higher. The engine?
Oh, no, I don't know, dude. Look at the header right here.
It's hitting a bit on the.
I can lift to the wheel.
Oh, I think it is.
No, it's not touching the back. It's not touching.
You just need to go like this.
A little bit more. Okay, it's free. It's free. It's
Oh,
free.
there we go. That's it.
I'm coming. It's free right now. Right where it's
I see. You see that? No.
Ready? Hurry up. One.
Yeah, I still connect with this shit.
Oh, here we go. This.
That one, that's okay.
Do you have the things?
Wait.
The screwdriver? No.
Well, yeah. We also have a whole front bumper. Okay. Check. Are we clear there?
Wait, those are just this is one motion.
Let it back.
Yeah. And you could go out.
You see the flat head?
Flat head.
Yeah, I don't understand what you do.
But if you have that one, Nathan, it's better. The smaller one.
That's 7 or 8 seconds.
There we go.
Yeah, or 7 or 8. This one. Cool.
That's it.
Careful. We got fire sensors connected. Maybe it's like hanging.
Okay, that's it.
You can go higher.
That'll reach the max depth.
There we go.
good
You know
spot.
how far? Up here. Here.
Middle, exactly. Cool. I guess we'll clean up a little back there and put it there.
We keep it in trains, right?
Oh, wait, it's
I don't know if you can.
honestly. Bryson, what do you think? Do you think I should put another motor, or do you think I should just sell parts?
For this
And
car?
this one, what year is this?
Oh, for 60.
You can sell the transmission. But, for this one.
Yeah, this is nothing.
Could you rebuild this?
Hey, but look at the pickup too. Because basic engine. Maybe you remove.
There's a guy in Sacramento. He wants 400 for a whole car.
How many months?
But engine's running. But no title. It's like from North Dakota title or some bullshit. And it's like, yeah. But
Is this rebuild this one?
It's expensive.
Yeah, I don't know. For what is, it's easier to just put another one.
Yeah, I know, but
That's what you're saying.
I just feel like for learning purposes, like to tear the motor apart and like see what was wrong with it.
This is
We could. If you want, we could keep this here. I should have bought the fucking engine stand at Harbor Fair.
Yeah, one of them was so bad.
Should we keep this to learn on?
I'm
You guys
down.
want to just tear it apart and learn?
I mean, what kind of something?
I was gonna throw it away, yeah.
We can keep it. We can toss it anytime.
I'm hella down to either one rebuild, like if it's literally like a piston ring or something, like, I'm down to pull this apart, put fucking pistons and shit. But like,
I'm down. Yeah, fuck it, let's do it. Neither am I. May as
Yeah, I
well.
mean, it's trash anyway, so
Yeah.
if we toss it now or later, we have space.
But you learn. But you learn.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, we'll keep it.
Yeah, I mean, we gotta learn either way.
Maybe you need to only change one more ring.
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. If you rebuild this, we learn,
Hey.
and then you sell it for like
And Papa, take it from
Maybe,
the bottom.
okay, then for now, should we just take
from the bottom.
Because if you don't have to remove the, you have to put that get gasket.
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait.
If you for the bottom, you pull all the.
I mean, if we're gonna pull the thing apart, we buy a new gasket.
I have a head gasket for this.
Okay.
I have it. I have some guy gave me one. But okay, question then. If we want to delve into maybe building this motor for learning purposes, if we're gonna do that, should I just fucking keep this shell parked in one of those spots outside?
The only thing is, since like
Yeah, I'll put a cover on it. She says she doesn't care as long as the neighbors don't sure. And I don't think these guys do.
yeah.
I
We
really
can just put, if you close the hood and lock it facing backward,
I mean, when you want to rebuild this motor to put back in here,
I'm saying if we rebuild it, yeah, I want to put it back there.
dude, I feel like we should almost just like for you, if you just get a $400 cheap motor, throw this trans on it, and we try to rebuild this, and if we rebuild it, we could sell it for like as a rebuilt M54 for like $1,000. Yeah.
I don't know. I would rather just put it back in if we're gonna rebuild it. That way I
But
don't
it's
have to
like-
go
it's
get a
like-
whole other engine.
It's just like our first rebuild, bro. Like,
I mean, what better place to test it?
Yeah.
Rather than sell it to someone and then fucking not build correctly, you know? Because if
Yeah,
we're
that's
gonna
the-
rebuild it, we should know if it runs right after we rebuild it.
But hey, you do already springs.
You think so? Is it? Should we do it?
This, you only the timing. The timing
Worst
is
case, it's trash anyway.
Worst case, I jump the whole fucking problem. Rebuild
Yeah.
something and have some fun. Make some fun.
How much you pay for this?
Too much, bro. Like, actually too much. I'm
This one?
Yeah. It was running when I got it. It was running and driving. It just had clogged hats, but they got low on oil and the motor blew up. I think the cylinder walls are scored. What would that mean? New head?
receive it.
Yeah. I mean, that one's going, I don't know how much.
But that one's
Then it's not worth it.
Yeah, it feels.
Yeah.
It's so expensive.
Can we check?
And I think Boris did it. But I feel like you probably have bad piston rings. It's either bad piston rings or scored cylinder.
If you have bad piston rings, doesn't score with a cylinder.
No.
Because then the pistons would be scrubbing against it.
Scored and they from like
There's oil
stain
getting on swap holes.
Okay, maybe one.
Wing is what?
Yeah, one more. All spark plugs. They're just
All.
Only one?
Or actually, I don't know.
all spark plugs.
No, I don't know.
It's probably a bad ring or that's my guess. I don't think it was stored unless it got overheated.
Okay, then for now, bro, let's
If you
shoot
want
this over
something-
and just push the car out.
Hey, you want something? I want to put it for them. Make us swap. Yeah, for fun.
Huh?
For fun.
Yeah.
For fun, what? Put an M54?
Maybe if we
No, because it's too expensive, bro. If we're gonna do a swap, I would want to do it on a nicer car, on like a wagon.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. On a wagon.
This is like a cheap automatic wagon.
I think if I were you, I would just buy a cheap N54, throw that in here, like put the trans on it, throw the N54, put it all back together, and then you can sell this thing for a decent amount. Like Jake just got 6K, and that's money in your pocket quicker. And then if we rebuild this, sell it as an engine, people
Even
want
if
to
you
take.
want to be rented, just tell it to pause and see what happens.
Yeah. You might be able to scrap it or like sell it for like $300-400 if people might want like engine parts. Like maybe they just need a piston or something. They'll buy it for like $100.
I really should.
Yeah, that's been the buy
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I guess I'll try to source a motor. In the meantime, we can start fucking with this.
Yeah.
So
We
yeah,
need to get a
let's scoot it over and let's push this car out of here, right?
Get the moped.
Yeah.
Did you guys get the moped?
No.
You want to go without it? I love how this camera was never getting its old tag. It's stuck on.
See, when you get vicious.
That was fun.
Yeah, that's how many hours?
Not too many, dude. Like,
3, 4, 4.
if you guys see extra bolts and stuff, try to mash them and just toss them in the box.
Dude, we should get a thing of blue tape on the expensive with a Sharpie right next to it. And stuff and like magnet it to these I-beams. Just so you can like sell a bait. And then like have that and then make it like a Ziploc bag dispenser where it's just chuck bolts, label them, like make it all easy to do.
Yeah.
It's easy to do, you're gonna do it.
I saw all that stuff at Harbor Freight today. Like the glove dispenser, the wall mount gloves. Alright, ready? If you want to hold this, I'll turn on the heat. Now right here. Just leave it for now. Maybe I'll go to Gomez and get us a tire.
You need a tire. I get pallets from my work if we like we have like a stash of 2 or 3 pallets.
You have something. But we need like the.
You probably will.
Like, just looks tight. So it's not.
Turn off the video.